Everybody, this is Sachin Jadhav. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make salary slip in MS Excel. Like my video, hit the subscribe button, tap the bell icon to get more notifications. Thanks for joining me again. In this 16th video, I'm going to show you how to make salary slip in MS Excel. Now, what I'm going to do is I will make salary slip of 5 employees. I type here employee ID 101, 102, 105. I type here name John, Vicky, Stuart, James, Dwayne. Destination clerk, attender. Basic salary 20,000, 20,000, 12,000, 10,500, 10,500. HRA equal to E2 into 20 percentage. Enter. Special allowance equal to E2 into 15 percentage. Enter. Medical allowance equal to E2 into 13 percentage. Enter. Conveyance equal to E2 into 8 percentage. Enter. Provident fund equal to E2 into 12 percentage. ESI equal to E2 into 2 percentage. Total deduction equal to bracket G2 plus K2 closing bracket equal to gross salary equal to opening bracket sum opening bracket, select like basic, HRA, special allowance, medical allowance, conveyance, PF, ESI. Then closing bracket equal to drag like this, net salary, drag like this. After this, now I will make salary slip design in another worksheet. I will show you how to make design. Go to view menu bar. As you can see, page layout block. Click on that. Select like this. Merge and center. You can type company name here. Below you can type company address. Here you can type salary slip. And center. You can increase font size as much you want. Select like this, go to bottom border, click on bottom border, here you can type employee ID, employee name, designation, date. Here you can type earnings, amount in rupees, deductions, amount in rupees. You can type basic, HRA, special allowance, below medical allowance, conveyance, gross salary, deductions, provident fund, PF, SI, total deduction, net salary. Here I will select drop down box. For that you have to go data menu bar, click on data validation block, click on data validation. As you can see, validation criteria over here. Click on allow option. As you can see, list option over here, click on that. You can type here 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, then OK. As you can see, drop down box has been set. If you select employee ID, then the slip will be generated. I will show you how this will work. Select all, fill background color, which one you want. Select this one. Select employee ID, equal to VLOOKUP, opening bracket, C6, comma table array, go to sheet 1, select all like this, comma 2, enter 2 because as you can see employee name is on second column, that's why we select 2, comma 0, closing bracket, enter. As you can see, employee name 102, 103 Stuart, 104 James, 105 Dwayne. Copy this formula here. You can remove 2, enter 3, OK. As you can see, destination is blurred. On basic column, paste the formula, change to put 5. As you can see, basic salary. On HRA, paste the formula, remove 2, enter 6. As you can see, HRA. Click on special allowance, paste the formula, change to put 7. As you can see, special allowance. Click on medical allowance, paste, remove 2, put 8. As you can see, medical allowance. Click on conveyance, remove 2, put 9. As you can see, conveyance. Coming to PF, paste the formula, remove 2, put 10. As you can see, Provident Fund. Click on ESI, paste the formula, remove 2, put 11. As you can see, ESI. Click on gross salary, paste the formula over here, remove 2, put 13. As you can see, gross salary. Coming to total deduction, paste the formula, remove 2, put 12. As you can see, total deduction. Click on net salary, paste the formula, remove 2, put 14. As you can see, net salary. If you select employee ID, as you can see, the salary will be generated like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Thanks for watching.